Can I pull this off? I feel like I could get away with this in my normal life, actually. Hi, I'm Lindsay and I work here at Bravo, and today we're going to be testing ways to make your eyeshadow pop. I'm pretty addicted to my eyeshadow primer, so I definitely would be interested to see if there's a more cost-effective way or if there's an easier option when I'm traveling to just leave it at home and ditch it. The worst case scenario, I just keep using my eyeshadow primer every day and spend the money. For this trend test, we're going to try out the eyeshadow primer on one eye and we're going to leave the other eye bare. I'm going to start by putting the eyeshadow primer all over the lid of this eye first. And just let that dry. I'm going to use this bronze shimmery tone to test out on top of the eyelid primer. And then we're going to compare it with just the bare eye. I stay near like bronze, brown, anything kind of natural and neutral. Now I'm gonna add the same eyeshadow to this bare lid and compare. Let's see how this goes. I think the thing with the primer too is it helps it stay on. So this is like falling a lot more. And these are the results. Well, I think with the one with the primer, it's definitely, it goes on heavier, it looks thicker, it looks like I put more on. And this one, I feel like I have a lot of like eyeshadow dust under my eye. It just doesn't look as bold. Now I'm gonna try out the cheaper version, the white eye pencil, and we're gonna see if it works just as well as the primer. Oh my God, this is like so bold looking. And this also goes on like really thick. Okay, now I'm gonna use the same bronzy tone and I'm just gonna go on top of this to see what it does. I mean, at least it's covering up the white. Not gonna lie, I feel like it's decent. Especially for a cheap white eyeliner. I definitely feel like this worked. I feel like over here where I put on maybe more of the white, it clumps up a little bit. But I mean, it definitely pops more. Now I'm gonna apply the same tone to the bare eyelid. The results are in, and I have to tell you, the pros of the white eyeliner are definitely that it's cheap, it's multi-use, you can do a bunch with this, but the cons would be that it clumps up. While it still makes the color pop, it just is harder to smooth out when you're trying to blend. The pros of the primer are that it goes on smooth, it's easy to blend, the color still pops, but maybe not as much as the white eyeliner. The cons are that you're gonna be spending more money. But I have to say that at the end of the day, I'd probably still use the primer because you're not gonna have that much eyeshadow falling off your eyes. It makes it last long term. So after this trend test, I think it's safe to say that I'm still gonna stick to using the eyeshadow primer.